Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Accenta. How are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. In our last video, we learned some polite expressions to show gratitude and respect towards people. Today, we are going to see different ways to respond when someone says thank you. Now, you're welcome or you are welcome is a perfect way to respond to thank you, but it is a little bit overused and it doesn't sound very cool when you repeat vocabulary when you talk in English. So let's expand your vocabulary bank by learning different ways to respond to thank you. So, like I said earlier, the obvious response would be you're welcome. But it sounds better when you expand it a little bit, like you're most welcome or you're very welcome, to let them feel that their thanks has been taken into consideration. For example, thank you for tidying up my room. Oh, you're very welcome. The next thing you can say is say thank you back to them. This is to express mutual appreciation or gratitude. For example, thank you for helping me organize the party. Oh no, thank you for reaching out to me. I was actually bored at home. The third way you can respond to thank you is by saying no problem. Like it wasn't a big deal helping them out. For example, thank you for helping me out. Oh, no problem. Another response you can give to thank you is by saying the pleasure is all mine. It is usually used formally when someone expresses their gratitude to something that you have done with pleasure or you are privileged for being a part of it. You can also shorten it a little bit and say my pleasure. For example, thank you for helping me out with my project. Oh, the pleasure is mine or my pleasure. The next response is something that you can use with people you know very well. That is, I know you do the same for me. This can be used when you want to convey that you will always be there for each other and you will always help each other in any situation. For instance, thank you for watering my plants when I was gone. Oh, I know you do the same for me. Another way you can respond to thank you is by saying, that's all right. That's all right. This can be used in situations like you appreciate that they're thanking you, but it was actually unnecessary because the help or the action that was done by you was done willingly and without any compulsion or trouble. For example, thank you for holding the door for me. Oh, that's all right. This might also sound a little less heartfelt with a change in the tone you use, so be careful of that. Another response you can give is by saying, no worries. No worries. We respond, no worries, when someone wants to thank us and we need to convey that the action done by us was done without any burden or inconvenience. For example, thank you for lending me your notes. No worries, I'm happy to help. And the last one is a one word answer you can respond to thank you, and that is sure. It's a very casual way of accepting thanks, and it often goes hand in hand with no problem. Like, sure, no problem. For example, thanks for grabbing me a coffee. Sure, no problem. So, these are some of the multiple ways that you can respond when someone thanks you. Keep all of those words in mind and use it in your conversation the next time someone thanks you. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.